AtMoney is India's only payment platform for tap and pay with second factor authentication. The tap and pay that is available for credit and debit cards works without a second factor authentication. Hence, fraudulent transaction easily happens when the card is lost. But with AtMoney, all tap and pay transactions are authorized with a second factor authentication like Face ID, Touch ID or PIN. For UPI, YUMPIN is required to complete each transaction. In AtMoney, tap and pay is not just restricted to cards. Users will have the option to choose from 4 different form factors of NFC tags like NFC sticker for mobile phones, NFC ring, NFC wristband and NFC card. We are now going to show how a customer in IOCL outlet makes payment using AtMoney NFC tag that is stick to their smartphone. In the NFC reader, the fuel outlet guy enters the amount that need to be collected. The customer then taps the NFC tag on the NFC reader. The customer now gets a push notification in their UPI app with the name and VPA of the merchant along with the amount. Transaction gets completed when the customer authorizes it with YUMPIN. Transaction status message will be instantly displayed in AtMoney merchant app. AtMoney NFC tags can be sticked at the back of any mobile phone. It can be a basic phone, Android phone or an iPhone. Now, customers can tap and pay for UPI even if their mobile phone doesn't come with NFC built in. Merchants can collect payments either using their NFC enabled smartphone or through NFC enabled Pine Labs POS machines. AtMoney had already partnered with Pine Labs. Hence, millions of merchants across the country who are already using Pine Labs POS machines can start collecting UPI payments through AtMoney's tap and pay right away.